Hello everyone. This week we're going to go to a new video site. So again, you're going to need a user code. So I'll be directing you to the site. It's called Fluent U. And then you're going to need to type in this user code that you'll see here. Okay, so basically when you go to Fluent U, it's going to look like this. It's fluentu.com. fluentu.com. And then, oh, I have to log out. And then the page looks like this. And you can't log in because you won't have an account. So what you're going to do is you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then what you are going to do is under General, you're going to go to Sign Up for Students. So click there. Then you're going to enter our class code that I just gave you. You don't need to put in your email. You can if you want. Your first name and last name, and then you have to come up with a username and password, and then you're going to sign up for free. Okay, and then once you log in, it will direct you to the video for this week. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.